Okay, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about your what fuel injection system. Already we discussed the various component of your diesel engine power plant, engine, air intake system, your air exhaust system, fuel supply system or fuel storage system, etc. Okay, today I will discuss about your what fuel injection system. We know that fuel injection system is the heart of the diesel engine power plant. Okay, and remember one thing. Generally, what is the basic function of a fuel injection system? Fuel injection system is supply very small quantity of fuel uh, or injected to the injector. Okay, or another one thing is what it also atomize and mix with the combustion airs. Okay, and remember another one point is of what fuel injection system is consist of a number of injector which help to provide your fuel. Also it atomize the fuel or also produce your what proper combustion inside your cylinder. Okay, generally the fuel injection system of a diesel power plants are of your three types. First one is your what common rail system, second one is your what individual dual pump system, and third one is your what distributed system. Okay, then first one is your what common rail system, again individual pump system, and third one is your what distributed system. Okay, now I am going to discuss about your first one, which one is your what common rail injection system. Just see here, this is the basic layout of your what common rail injection system. I am just giving here the name of the component which is attached in your common rail diesel engine fuel injection system. First one is your what fuel tank, then one of the pump is connected here. This one is known as your what lower pump LP. That means this one is a lower pump. After that, one of the filter is connected here. After that, one of the HP is connected here. That means your what higher pump. After that, one of the common rail is connected here. And four injector. If you consider the cylinder piston arrangement is a four cylinder compression ignition engine, then four injector are most necessary. So four injector are it connected here to your what common rail system, and one of the ECM is connected here, and which is known as your what electronic control module. Electronic control module, ECM. Again I repeat the name of the component which help to inject the fuel inside your cylinder. First one is your fuel tank, second one is your lower pump, third one is your what filter, then next one is your higher pump, the next one is your common rail. Four injector are directly connected to your common rail system, and one of the ECM which is directly connected to the injector and directly connected to the HP. Okay, this ECM means electronic control module. Okay, this is the what the component of your diesel engine diesel injection system. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about your what working principle. Initially the fuel tank which is completely filled with the diesel fuel. Okay, we know that this one is your what fuel injection system of your diesel power plant. The fuel is taken your what diesel, and the tank is also known as your what day tank. Okay, and the tank is also known as your day tank. Okay, after that one of the pump is connected here which is known as your what lower pump. The fuel is carried forward towards your what lower pump. Okay, after getting some pressure here, the basic function of your lower pump here was to increase some amount of pressure which result to transfer the fluid or fuel to your what filter. Okay, after lower pump one is a filter is connected here. The main function of the filter here to convert in the pure form of a fluid. Okay, that means what the impurities are trapped here. As a result the fuel is converted into pure form. Okay, after that one of the higher pump is connected here. After filtration process is over here, the pure that means your what pure filtered your fuel transfer through this pipe to your what higher pump. Okay, what is the basic function of your higher pump, or this also known as your what high pressure pump. Okay, this is known as your what high pressure pump. What is the basic function of the high pressure pump? Generally the high pressure pump increase the pressure more than 1800 bar, or it may be your what your 18,000 psi. Okay, 18,000 psi. Psi means pound of force per square inch. Okay, the main function of the high pressure pump is what to increase the pressure of the fuel up to your greater than 800 bar, also maintain your what 18,000 psi. After increased pressure here, it transfer to your what through this pipe to your what or carry forward towards your common rail system. Okay, this is the common rail arrangement here. What is the meaning of common rail system? Common rail system means what? This one is a what? Common head for individual injector. Here we generally here attach four numbers of injector. That means the engine is completely your how many cylinders are used here? As four injector are used here, so similarly four cylinder are also placed here in downward direction. Okay, in lower case of your uh, injector. Okay, what is the basic function of your common rail system? Common rail means common head. That means your common for all the injector. That means if this one is a 1, this one is a 2, this one is a 3, and this one is a 4. Out of 4 injector, all the injector are directly connected to what? Common head system. Okay, this one is a what? Common rail system. What happen here? The high pressure fluids are transferred from your air pump and enter to your what? Common rail system. And the basic function of your common rail system is a what? The main function of the common rail system is what? Individually transfer uniformly transfer to the individual injector. Okay, common rail is a what? Common head system, so is individually or uniformly distributed to the individual injector. As a result, if the proper that means your proper mixtures and proper amount if injected to your cylinder, then proper combustion takes place. We know that what happened there for proper combustions and to increase your efficiency of your engine, common rail is act as your common rail is take part a very important role there, because it uniformly distributed your fuel to your what? Injector. As a result, proper combustion takes place. And another one thing, common rail is always takes your high pressure, because why? One of the high pressure is connected before common rail system, so it increase your pressure 800, more than 800 bar. As a result, the pressures, high amount of pressurized fuels are inserted to your what? Or injected to compress air or to cylinder for proper combustions. Okay, this is all about what? Function of common rail. And just see here the output of your another, if this one is your input path, then one of the path is again connected to the common rail systems, which is known as the what? Output path or bypass path. What are the basic principle of bypass path? If the excess amount of fuel is kept inside your common rail system, or in case of your overflow conditions, that amount of fuel are carried forward through this pipe. Okay, if the excess amount of fuel are flow, or if the excess amount of fuel are overloaded there, then that amount of fuel are carried forward through this pipe. Okay, which is known as your what? Bypass pipe. Or what happened then, the excess amount of fuel are transferred through this pipe, again return back to your what? Fuel tank or the dead tanks. That means your common rail system's exit path is also directly connected to your what? Fuel tank. Okay, and remember one thing, another most important component is used, which is known as your what? Electronic control module. What is the basic function of electronic control module? Electronic control module is directly connected to your what? Your injector. What are its basic principles? Generally what happen, electronic control module control your timing. That means show what? In which time which one will be inject first. If you consider there are the 4 cylinder engine, that means show 4 injector are here connected here, then which injector is first inject the fuel. Okay, it may be this one is inject fast, or it may be this one inject fast, or it may be this one inject fast, or this also. Okay, so ECM measure your time periods. That means it also maintain your proportion ratio, how much amount of fuel will be injected in which time. That parameters will be measured, or that parameters will be recorded by the help of your what? ECM. Okay, ECM is control that amount of your parameters. That means your proper timings. We know that proper timing is most necessary for proper combustions. Okay, and another one thing is your what? ECM is also directly connected to what? High pressures. It also maintain the timing of your pressure. Timing of pressure means what? We know that high pressure is always rise the pressure of the fuel is more than 800 bar. Okay, in which time pressure will be rise, or in which time pressure will be maintained constant, that time periods can be measured by your what? ECM, or that time period can be controlled by your ECM. Okay, clear? That means ECM is directly connected to your high pressure to balance your pressure here, and another also it connected to your what? Injector to balance your ratio or balance your timing here. Proper combustion, proper time of injection, proper amount of fuel will be injected is most necessary. Another most important parameter is a what? Function of fuel injector. What is the basic function of fuel injector? Basic function of the fuel injector is what? It measures your correct quantity. Okay, listen, see here, the injectors are actuated or controlled by a what solenoid valve. Okay, clear? Injector, these four injectors are controlled by a what controlled by or actuated by a actuated by one of the component which is known as your what solenoid arrangement. By the help of your solenoid arrangement, your ratio of the fuel will be how much amount of ratio of the fuel will be injected, that can be controlled here. And what are the basic principle or what are the basic function of your fuel injector? Your what it measures your correct quantity of fuel to be injected, that means how much amount of fuel will be injected in which time. Okay, and second is your proper time of injection. Okay, and third one is your what control the rate of fuel injections, how much rate will be provided to your cylinders, control the rate of fuel injection. Okay, and break the fuels into your smallest particles. Okay, that means your injector is always inject the fuel in a small particles. Okay, always spray on the form of your fuel to small particles or small filaments. Okay, or it also known as your what atomized, that means the fuel elements are break into the number of teeny particles which is known as your what atomized, or break the fuel into the fine particles, or it also known as your what atomized. And it also properly distribute the fuel to your engine cylinder, properly distribute, that means your spray nature are uniform directions, that means your sprayed on the cylinder uniformly. Okay, that is a big matter for your proper combustion, that also maintained by your what fuel injector. Okay, this is the all about of your what common rail system. And remember one thing, common rail means common head systems. Okay, which maintain your pressure rate or also which maintain your flow rate. Okay, and this also take the very important role for fuel injection system to increase the efficiency of the system and to eliminate your emission system also. Okay, thank you.